Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here, coming off of a record high Sunday where temperatures were well into the 90s. The records were upper 80s, low to mid 90s, and we had mid to upper 90s across much of the area. Pretty much everybody that keeps records broke a record yesterday. I cannot remember a day this late in the year where it got into the upper 90s. It was 97 for GI and Hastings, 95 for Kearney, 94 out in the Lincoln area. We had a state high of 98 in Broken Bow and Norfolk. So very hot conditions. Did have a cold front pass through though yesterday evening, and that has dropped those temperatures back quite a bit this morning. Behind that front, a cool start to our day. We're also under drier air, so that temperature fluctuates a lot when you have dry air in place between the highs and the lows. That's very typical of what you see in a desert, for instance, here. But with that cold front passing through well to our southeast, there are some clouds off to our northeast that will miss us. So a lot of sunshine today, but one thing we're going to have is a very tight pressure gradient behind this front, so very windy conditions expected for much of the day, especially the farther north you go. It will be quite windy out there. The farther south and southwest you go, the lighter the winds will be, but still fairly breezy and fairly mild still. A good 25 degree drop in temperature from yesterday's highs, but we're still going to be above normal pretty much everywhere. So as we look at tonight, winds die back very quickly by about supper time or so. Those winds will be so much lighter this evening, but good radiational cooling, good chance for it because of those light winds and clear skies. So we're talking about chilly conditions, 40s and maybe even a few upper 30s out there. Heading into tomorrow after that chilly start again, I mentioned we're kind of in that desert-like atmosphere with the dry conditions, so a big-time warm-up taking place. So we're going to get up into the upper 70s and lower 80s for highs on your Tuesday, just ahead of a weak cool front that will drop us back a few degrees as we get towards the middle of the week. But notice dry conditions with that dry air in place. These fronts coming through just cannot spark off any kind of precipitation, and really aren't even getting much for cloud cover out there with this with these fronts coming through. So later on today, look for highs in the upper 60s, lower 70s up north. Again, very strong northwest winds that could gust as high as 45 miles per hour. To the west, we're looking at lighter winds, but still breezy, mid-70s for highs. Again, lighter winds down in northern Kansas, a little bit stronger in southern Nebraska. Plenty of sunshine winds, 15 to 30 miles per hour. A little bit stronger with those winds off towards the east, especially up towards the Columbus area. Plenty of sunshine, mid-70s for afternoon highs. Your extended forecast tomorrow, probably the warmest day of the week ahead. We'll see 81 degrees. That weak cool front drops us back on Wednesday. Another cold front comes through on Thursday. This will be a stronger cold front. It will bring more strong winds for your Thursday. And we're also looking at temperatures that will drop back into the 60s for highs on Friday and Saturday. And look at those lows, Friday morning, Saturday morning, down into the upper 30s. Some folks may get close to that frost category, that 36-degree temperature. So frost may be something to watch for as we get towards the end of the week here. We'll recover a little bit getting into Sunday, getting back into the 70s as winds may be strong again. So it's definitely going to feel a little more like fall out there when you talk about winds, and temperatures a little closer to our average high, which is about 66, 67 degrees now in the area. So again, that continues to drop, and so these temperatures here as we go through the week ahead of us here. So there you go. One other thing to mention before I let you go: do have a red flag advisor or red flag warning out for central and eastern Nebraska today for much of the area because of the high fire danger, strong winds, and it's been so dry out there. So something to keep in mind with those strong winds for today. That red flag warning will be in effect from noon until 6 p.m. this afternoon. So there you go. There is your forecast for this Monday. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great day.